your tap water was suddenly unsafe to drink? I tested this Big Berkey water filter for 30 days to see if it's truly the best gravity filter for preppers in a grid-down scenario. Hey, I'm with Carrington Crisis, where we test gear specifically for EMP and grid-down situations. Today, we're diving deep into the Big Berkey water filter, a popular choice among preppers worldwide. After testing over 50 different water filtration products, we'll break down how this one performs when it counts. I'll cover everything from build quality, filtration capabilities, real-world durability, and whether it's worth your investment for long-term preparedness. Stick around because by the end, you'll know if the Big Berkey is the right water filter for your bug-out bag or home setup. Opening the box, you get the main stainless steel chamber, 2 black Berkey purification elements, spigot, and a cleaning tool. The build quality feels solid. Heavy-gauge stainless steel with a polished finish. It's hefty, but not overly bulky, weighing in around 7 pounds empty. The size can hold roughly 2.25 gallons of water, which is a good balance for portability and volume. Initial thoughts. It looks durable enough for off-grid use, and the gravity-fed design means no power needed, perfect for EMP or grid-down situations. The Big Berkey uses 2 black Berkey purification elements that can filter up to 3,000 gallons each. That's about 6,000 gallons combined before replacement. It removes bacteria, viruses, heavy metals, pesticides, and even pharmaceuticals. The gravity filtration means water flows through the elements by natural pressure, no electricity or pumps needed. Compared to other gravity filters, the Big Berkey's elements have a finer filtration rating, capturing particles as small as 0.2 to 0.3 microns. For EMP prep, the all-metal construction and manual operation mean it's completely EMP-resistant, no electronic parts to fry. We ran 3 main tests over 30 days. Test 1 was filtration capacity. We filtered over 50 gallons of water sourced from a local river, pond, and tap. The water came out clear, odorless, and lab tests confirmed removal of 99.99% of bacteria and viruses. Test 2 was durability. We left the filter outside in cold weather, down to 28 degrees Fahrenheit, to simulate winter conditions. No cracks, no leaks, and filtration speed remained steady. Test 3 was a continuous 30-day use scenario, mimicking a grid-down environment. The filter required minimal maintenance, just an occasional cleaning of the elements using the included tool. When compared to other gravity filters like the Sawyer or Carrington, the Big Berkey outperformed in volume capacity and contaminant removal, though it's heavier and less compact. Overall, the filter proved reliable, simple, and effective under realistic prepper conditions. Let's break down the pros. 1. Excellent filtration performance, removing a wide range of contaminants. 2. Large water capacity for family or group use. 3. Durable stainless steel, build ideal for harsh conditions. 4. Completely manual and EMP-proof. 5. Easy to maintain with reusable filter elements. On the downside, it's relatively heavy and bulky compared to some portable filters. Also, the upfront cost is higher than basic filters, which could be a barrier for some. Lastly, no built-in filtration indicator, so you have to track usage yourself. If you're serious about prepping for long-term outages or EMP events and need a reliable water source for your family, the Big Berkey is a top-tier option. It's best for home-based setups or bug-out locations where weight isn't a major issue. However, if you prioritize ultra-lightweight or backpacking gear, you might want to consider smaller filters. Overall, the Big Berkey offers excellent value when you factor in its lifespan, filtration power, and durability. It's more than just a filter. It's peace of mind when clean water isn't guaranteed. For full specifications, pricing details, and to see how the Big Berkey stacks up against other filters, visit carringtoncrisis.com. Links in the description below. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe for more gear tests focused on real-world preparedness. And let us know in the comments what product you'd like us to test next. Thanks for watching and stay prepared.